Hey, I'm Cyrus. In this session, we're going to learn a super basic technique that you'll be able to use for the rest of your life to let go of your thoughts and enter a relaxed rhythm anytime you want. So just go ahead and notice your next thought. Okay, maybe your mind went blank, but either way, at some point a thought is going to come up. It's going to be a sentence, or a word, or maybe a sound if you're funky like that, or an image, and just notice it. And just let it go. Maybe you know how to let it go instinctively, or if you need help, just imagine yourself dropping the sentence in the middle of the sentence, or notice the image dissolving. Just let it go however you want to let it go. Ultimately, it's an instinctive ability. Don't think too much about how to do it. Just let go. And notice the next thought that pops up. And whatever it is, just acknowledge it. Be okay with it being there for a moment. And now just let it go. Drop it, let it dissolve. However you want to let it go is cool. And now as you start to get a rhythm with it, this is where it gets really interesting. So I encourage you to stick with it, and it might blow your mind what happens as you do. Notice your next thought that pops up. And no matter what it is, we want to treat all thoughts as equal for this exercise. Just notice it, acknowledge it, and let it go. And you may or may not notice a little gap of pure awareness where you're not thinking after you let it go, if you pay attention very carefully. So just notice the next thought, and let it go, and see if you can catch the little pocket of pure awareness after you let it go. You might start to notice it's becoming easier to just be present with the sounds and sights and sensory details that are happening in this moment. And the mind is a machine. It'll start to think soon enough, so just notice the next thought that pops up. But now you're starting to have some influence as you find your rhythm. Notice that, acknowledge that, but then gently, firmly let it go. And as the mind and body notices you're willing to catch and let go of thoughts, it starts to anticipate more space, more relaxation, and you might start to notice it's a little bit easier to relax a little bit more, even 10 or 20%. More relaxation might start to open up if you gently breathe and allow the muscles to soften and relax. You might notice that come to you a little bit easier. And notice the next thought, almost emerging like a wave in the ocean, beginning to swell, and as it gets to its peak, see if you can just let it go and fall off and wash away, dissolving. And as you do, a deeper pocket of pure sensory awareness and a bigger openness for relaxation opens up, usually each time we let go. So relax into the body, into the moment and your surroundings. And even though it might seem repetitive, we'll practice a few more times just to really lock this in and help you get a feel for it for good measure. So notice the next thought whenever it arises at its own pace. You know what to do. Acknowledge. Let go. And it doesn't matter if the thoughts are relentless, if they just keep coming, because you're starting to build a different relationship to them, an observer rhythm where you can simply watch the next thought, acknowledge it gently without getting wrapped up in it, and gently release it like a butterfly floating off the palm of your open hand. And allowing yourself to relax deeper into the moment where you might start to notice yourself floating with a pleasant open relaxation as the body and mind anticipates that slower, more releasing rhythm. And we'll do it twice more with an open mind, with no expectations, just totally open as you notice the next thought. Perhaps bringing that inner smile, that inner quiet acknowledgement to whatever it was, and gently releasing it with an effortless rhythm. And relaxing into the lightness of the moment even 1% deeper. Soaking in all the pleasant details of the simplicity of this moment. And once more for this session, notice the next thought. And maybe you don't even need to acknowledge at this point. Maybe the noticing was its own acknowledgement. Maybe you just let go. Notice the bare essence of your presence in this moment as the relaxation opens up to a deeper and deeper level, almost effortlessly. And I invite you to set an intention now to continue this practice throughout the rest of your day, just deciding right now if you want to continue to notice thoughts, acknowledge and let go, continuing to cruise smoothly in this more relaxed, present, and flowing rhythm, committing to that if you feel like it would serve you now. And just notice how the mechanism of what made this work was your willingness to string together several noticings and several letting goes in a row so that your mind and body can align and find its own rhythm, its own anticipation of this slower, more aware presence. And I encourage you to continue to practice that as a skill and develop it consciously throughout your days going forward. And be aware that if there are any thoughts that are particularly sticky or difficult to let go of, you can practice the letting go technique for emotions from Dr. David Hawkins and the book Letting Go that you can find in multiple forms in a guided session by searching The Mental Level The Letting Go Technique on YouTube, or scrolling through the Emotional Explorations playlist on my page. Thanks so much for taking this time for yourself today. I invite you to share this with anyone who could benefit from a technique for letting go of their thoughts, and I hope you have an amazing day.